A massive pride of lions was about to face a powerful opponent. The pride numbered an intimidating 20 lions. The scene was absolutely spectacular. At this moment, the pride was steadily closing in on their target. About 2 kilometers away, a lone bull was about to be in serious trouble. It had no idea it was about to face the full force of the lion pride. Hunting together, 20 lions are terrifying. Even elephants avoid a direct confrontation. Of course, African buffalo aren't defenseless either. The alert bull seemed to sense the predators nearby. That's because the lion vanguard had already reached the area. They were ready to intercept the buffalo. Sensing danger, the buffalo quickened its pace, trying to escape. In a short time, the pride switched to full attack mode. More than 10 lions relentlessly chased the fleeing buffalo. The buffalo ran for its life, calling out for help. But facing this super pride today, after a half-hour battle, the buffalo ultimately became the lion's prey.